Hello, my little friends. Today, Miss Fairy has come to share a beautiful tale about two princesses who learned the meaning of togetherness. Imagine sitting near a cozy fire, listening to a story just like the old days. Are you ready? Let's begin our magical tale. Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom, there lived two princesses, Princess Arina and Princess Belia. Princess Arina was kind and gentle. She loved cooking. Every day, she made sweet bread, warm soup, and delicious cakes for everyone in the castle. Her smile always made people happy, but her sister, Princess Belia, often felt jealous. Why does everyone always praise your cooking? She complained. Belia wanted attention too, but she rarely wanted to try or practice. One day, something unexpected happened. Princess Arina suddenly disappeared. The whole kingdom was worried. The king was heartbroken and asked everyone to search for her. That night, when the castle was quiet, the king smelled something, the warm aroma of Arina's favorite soup. "This must be Arina's cooking," the king said. He followed the scent until he reached a small cottage in the forest. And there, he found Princess Arina cooking with a gentle smile. "Arina, why are you here?" the king asked with relief. Arina replied, "I wanted to give Belia space. I don't want her to feel sad because she always compares herself to me." The king then brought Belia to the cottage. When Belia saw her sister, she lowered her head and whispered, "I was jealous of you, but I missed you too." Princess Arina hugged her warmly. "Then let's cook together. Soup and bread taste better when made with love from two sisters." From that day on, Belia learned to cook with Arina. To her surprise, she became good at baking cakes. The sisters no longer argued, and the castle was always filled with the sweet aroma of their food. The whole kingdom lived happily. Well, my little friends, what do you think about our fairy tale today? From today's tale, we learn that jealousy has no place in our hearts, for everyone shines in their own wonderful way. And that's the end of today's story. My dear friends, remember, never let jealousy fill your heart. It's better to learn, to share, and to grow together. May this story become a sweet memory you'll carry, even when you grow up. See you in the next fairy tale. Sweet dreams, everyone! Bye-bye.